Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Oneplus Nord N200 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. For removing the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the mid frame by undoing 17 screws from the top and bottom. Make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic cut pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then disconnect the fingerprint plug to release the mid frame from the body. Next, take out the not working front camera by disconnecting the plug and releasing the adhesive. Next, remove the not working wide, macro and depth cameras by disconnecting plugs. Next, replace the required broken camera with a new unit and then start placing it on the logic board. Next, secure the front camera in the logic board by connecting the plug and then paste the adhesive. Next, secure the fingerprint and battery plugs to the board. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 17 screws. Ensure the clips have fastened before inserting screws, and then insert the SIM tray. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.